What if we switched school priorities? Arts and PE first? Ever wondered what school would be like if painting, music, and sports took center stage, while math and science took a back seat? Let's dive into this thought experiment and explore the potential upsides and downsides of such a radical shift. Imagine a curriculum where creativity reigns supreme. Students might develop enhanced problem-solving skills through artistic expression and teamwork through physical activities. Could this lead to a generation of innovators and collaborators? Focusing on arts and physical education could foster emotional intelligence and self-expression. Students might become more confident, empathetic, and better equipped to navigate complex social situations. It's a compelling thought, isn't it? But what about the core subjects? Would a diminished focus on math, science, and language arts leave students unprepared for higher education and future careers? Could we risk creating a skills gap in crucial fields? A lack of foundational knowledge in core subjects could limit future opportunities. Students might struggle to compete in a rapidly evolving, technology-driven world. It's a serious consideration that needs careful examination. Perhaps the answer isn't prioritizing one over the other, but finding a harmonious balance. Could we integrate arts and physical education into core subjects to make learning more engaging and holistic? Imagine learning math through music or science through sports. An integrated approach could foster well-rounded individuals with both creative and analytical skills. This could lead to a more innovative and adaptable workforce, ready to tackle the challenges of the future. It's all about finding the right mix. Ultimately, the question of prioritizing arts and physical education over core subjects is a complex one with no easy answers. It requires careful consideration of the potential benefits and drawbacks, as well as a willingness to explore innovative approaches to education. What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's start a conversation about the future of education and how we can best prepare students for success. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more thought-provoking content.